course, your genetics have a role in who you are, but the influence of the environment of these experiences play a significant part in your present life. We start with seeds or seedlings to symbolize the beginning of our life. Then we look after them in a way our parents raise us, giving us the best they could. So you look after these seedlings, you water them, and you add good soil and fertilizers to grow them well. Mindful gardening gives us an understanding of who we are today. Who you are today is a product of your past experiences, how you grew up in your childhood, your friends, experiences and influences from outside.